Oh, paggising ko, nagluto na yung anak ko. Oh, what you cooking, baby?
Scrambled egg.
Ito, oh, nagluto siya. Scrambled egg daw.
Da.
What did you put that? There, oil?
Dili.
Where?
Ha?
Scrambled egg.
Da?
Pasiga dito, be. Mainayi. Itak ang iton. Ano, di man yung itak ang init,
Too
ini?
much oil, eh?
Not oil, honey. That's only egg. No more oil. Din pot oil. Nagluto
That's
siya,
okay.
guys. Okay. Painayi lang, be. Scrambled egg daw ko, no? Pagising pa lang.
Without onion?
Tapos, okay, be. Ito gamitan mo, oh. Painayi mo si Gagod. Matubod ko to ni scrambled egg.
Hinayala.
Oo.
Dahil kumadot.